Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Mega Project Story. Here today we are going to learn about how to connect your vMix to Zoom using NDI. Let's get started. What we do first is to go to our Zoom. We are going to open our Zoom now. First of all, what we do is to create a meeting. We click on start. But if you are invited for a meeting, you can click on join a meeting. Now here you join. Now you need another software. The software that you need is NDI Tools. Come here, click on NDI. Now you need this NDI Tools. This NDI Tools will help you to be able to send your video via NDI. And they have different functions there. We have studio monitors. This studio monitor will also help you to monitor your feed. And this NDI screen capture here will help you to capture your screen if you want. But what we are using today to send our feed to Zoom, we are using NDI Tools here. And this NDI webcam is broad. You can use it for many other things, but for videos you can use it anything about video and audio. You can receive both audio and videos together. That's why I want to make use of this NDI tool there. On your NDI tools you will see different layers there. I already picked my system vMix output here. This is my vMix output here, and this vMix output, I will click it like this. It will show different system. Here it will show different system on the network, on the same network we are using. But this is my own system. You pick my own vMix output here. You minimize this one. It's already configured already. You minimize this one now. On your vMix, on your Zoom, you come here. On your Zoom, you come here. You see it now. It has different output. You can pick your direct camera here. This is my direct camera. But the reason why it will not pick my direct camera because I'm using my vMix. So you come and use NDI. If you don't use NDI, you can use your vMix. For your vMix, you can plug it external, you can hold your external, then you're able to use vMix. But for you not to have issue whatever, you want to be on the safe side, it's better for you to on your what is it called? On your NDI, use your camera. When your NDI want to try here, the same thing for the audio. The audio must not be different. You can use the same thing for your audio. Webcam 1 is there. Just pick your webcam 1 here. You see that it's going to work perfectly. Anything you are sending out as a master output will also come here automatically. There's no issue about it. You will enjoy your streaming very well, and you will enjoy your feed very well. You can externally, you can also send it to NDI. And if you are joining a program, you can make use of the same things. If you are joining a program, maybe they invite you as a guest. You are not the one that created the Zoom link and they invite as a guest. You can make use of it also to send your videos to the Zoom meeting. And that's all now. Well, I want to teach you something now on NDI format also. You come to external here. On your external, come to external here. Your external here has different outputs here on vMix. That's different outputs here. That's 4 output, and this 4 output you can send it out to through NDI. You can run all your 4 NDI feed and you can configure your output on a different way. You can configure it like you can send it to different systems. If you are working in an organization where you are working like on a TV station and you want to send in different output to different systems, you can do that here. That if you want this system A to use another output, system B to use another output, system B to use another output, 4 systems, you can configure it like that. So it's the same thing with your SRT also. Or maybe we'll come back to that one in the next video. But for this one, you can configure using this frame input here. You can pick it now. I'm using output 2 and output 1. I can configure output 3. I can configure output 3 to pick output 12 to pick input 12 to pick input. For any input, I can pick any input here. So for that, I'm with a good network. I'm connected to a good network, and just toggle your NDI on. Then any system can be able to see your system, and you can. All these ones are also audio input. Also, you can on your audios. If you want only audio, you can on it here. You can use it to pick it like that. That is how NDI works. If you have any question that you want me to show more about it on vMix, or having any problems, let me know so that I can be able to put it through. In my next video, I can be able to walk you through the way you can go to do it step by step. That is going to make your production look better, your streaming look better. If you have any issue with your streaming or whatever on vMix or whatever, let me know in the comment section. I will put it through step by step on how you can go through it. Thank you very much for watching this channel. Remember to subscribe and like this video. This is Mega Project Story once again. We are happy that you are here. Thank you very much, and God bless you.